In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers and subcustomers in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and look to the left navigation panel. Click on Customers and Leads. This is where you manage everyone you bill or track work for. Once you're in, go to the Customers tab. You'll see your customer list here, along with tools to add and organize new records. To create a new customer, click New Customer at the top right. A form will open with fields for details. Fill in what you know right now. QuickBooks lets you edit later if something changes. Be sure to add a display name, which is how the customer will appear in your lists and invoices. If it's a business, include the company name. If it's an individual, you can use their first and last name. Add contact info like email and billing address, so invoices and statements go to the right place. And include a phone number if you want a quick way to reach them. If your region or workflow uses tax settings, payment terms, or preferred delivery method, you can set those too. Notes are a great spot to capture anything your team should remember, like special billing instructions. When you're happy with the information, click Save. QuickBooks will return you to the customer list, and your new customer will appear there. That's it. The profile is ready for invoicing, estimates, or tracking activity. Now, let's set up a subcustomer. This is helpful for jobs, projects, locations, or departments that roll up to a main customer. The process is almost the same. Click New Customer again and enter the details for the subcustomer just like before. This time, check the box labeled Is a Subcustomer. A drop-down will appear where you can choose the parent customer. Select the correct parent so reporting and invoices organize properly. You can keep the subcustomer's contact details the same as the parent or customize them if they differ, like a unique billing address for a specific location. Once everything looks good, click Save. You'll now see the subcustomer listed beneath its parent in the customer list, making it easy to bill separately while still keeping everything grouped for reports and statements. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to add a new customer and how to create a subcustomer in QuickBooks Online, keeping your books organized and your billing straightforward. If you need to adjust anything later, just open the customer's profile, make your edits, and save.